In the previous workshop, you learnt how to search for lessons directly in the Xeropan curriculum. In this workshop, we'll look at Xeropan's AI-assisted curriculum alignment, a tool that maps your textbook objectives to Xeropan's learning objectives and specific lessons. We use this tool to do the searching for you, so you spend less time on admin and more time teaching. We align the Xeropan curriculum with your book's curriculum, making it very easy to find lessons that match each module and unit in your textbook. Typically, we receive the school's annual plan and transform it into a simple book curriculum page with Xeropan magic links. With a single click, you're taken straight to the corresponding lesson in Xeropan Classroom, where you can review it and assign it immediately. Here you can see an example alignment for the book Get to the Top one. You see the order of modules and lessons from the yearly plan. For example, Module 1, School Days, the first lesson in the book. Next to each textbook lesson, you'll find Xeropan's recommendations, AI speaking simulations, video and audio lessons, grammar and vocabulary practice. If you're looking for something specific, you can use the filters in the top right corner to narrow results by lesson type. We also include recommendations for advanced learners. Use the filters to find extra challenges and higher-level content when you need extension tasks. It's important to clarify what this alignment tool does. The AI-assisted process aligns textbook objectives with existing Xeropan lessons, but it does not generate content designed for one specific book. These matches are supportive suggestions. They follow similar themes, vocabulary, and objectives as the textbook, and provide extra practice. They will not, and should not, be expected to replace every textbook page or unit. Instead, they act as a helpful bridge that reinforces your curriculum with engaging interactive activities. For this module, you can see a suggested AI speaking lesson. When you click Go to Lesson, you jump directly into Xeropan Classroom to the lesson library with the recommended lesson already highlighted. To preview it, click Start Lesson on the lesson card. If you want to assign it, select your class, set a deadline, and confirm. After that, the system will ask whether you'd like to assign the whole unit, including vocabulary, pronunciation, video, and grammar lessons. We recommend assigning the full unit whenever possible. These preparatory lessons teach key vocabulary, sample sentences, and grammar that help students succeed in the AI conversation. The number of aligned books is growing every day. If you'd like an alignment for your own textbook, please contact us at institutions@xeropan.com and request a new alignment for your book.